Hello, welcome to Smart Repository. This is Mukul here, and I'll be taking you through the salient features of this Smart Repository. Smart Repository is designed to be an institutional repository of digital content. It can be used as an excellent knowledge management tool and to catalog electronic documents of your organization. Before we go to exciting features of Smart Repository, I'll quickly explain what is a collection. A collection is a broad classification of the digital content you would like to organize. Some examples of collections are research papers, resumes, job applications, newspaper clippings, legal agreements, contracts, support ticket screenshots, etc. Organizations deal with different kinds of documents, and their collections will depend on their requirements. We will now understand another term used here, that is OCR, Optical Character Recognition. OCR is a cool feature of this application. With optical character recognition, text appearing on photos or screenshots is indexed, and thus the documents become searchable. This is particularly useful for technical support staff if they want to refer to a certain how-to or even to a screenshot of a chat transcript on applications like WhatsApp. I'll now log into the repository. We'll put my email here and the password. Let's go. Now I go to the miscellaneous collections, which is a collection of artifacts. Here, the documents uploaded are listed. First column is the type of the document, then the title of it, the size of the document, then the date of the creation, and actions to be performed for the maintenance of this collection. So you can sort this list by title, the size of it, by the date of it. We'll quickly check it. Yes. And now I will upload a document here. Say I go here, choose a file from my photo library, all photos. Let me select a JPG file. I will name it say program poster. If you don't name the file that you are uploading, it will automatically generate a title. Then I click save, and the document is being uploaded. So the document is uploaded successfully, and I can see it here, 1.76 MB program poster, a JPG file. Now I'll click it, and I get if I want to view the file or download. I'll just view the file, and I see that it's a poster of some program. It's a JPG file. And now we come to the important feature, the search feature of this smart repository. And that search feature uses OCR. I'll quickly search through this, and I see that there are 5 files which contain the word lecture. So this search is going through the PDF files, the JPG files, or all types of files that are being uploaded, but this word is found in these 5 files. So let's check if we have it on the program poster that I uploaded just now. So the word lecture, I can see it here. So the text is searched through this JPG file as well, which is a wonderful feature of this smart repository. And this feature can create immense value if your organization has an archive of scanned documents. Now we move on to cataloging. In order to further classify your documents, you can create meta tags for collections. For example, the collection research papers may have meta fields like author, co-author, published date, subject. Any number of these fields can be created by selecting the type of data each field expects. Some fields may expect a numeric input, whereas a date field should get a date input. The validation checks get automatically attached at the time of creation of the field. Now, we will see how to create a custom meta field for better cataloging. In this collection, say research paper, I am now creating a meta field called journal. I'll type here journal. The text for this, the name of the journal, the field type, I can choose from a drop down, say numeric, select from options, and date. So if I type select from options, I can give a list of comma separated values here. So I am typing here 2-3 names of the journals. So when you upload your PDF or a research paper, you can choose the journal, and finally the display order. So you can then save this and it gets added to the fields that are already there. So author, co-author, date of publication, and the journal. So the name of the journal will be there. We will now upload a document, say a PDF file, to this research papers collection, and we will check how the search facility with these meta filters can work together to give us best possible search results. So I'll upload a file here. I'll choose from my collection here, and I need not name it. The title can be automatically generated. I'll add the author's name. Then I can choose a date when it was published, and finally I can also choose the name of the journal from the list that we added. I will not select any as of now, and then I click the save button. So my document is uploaded. Now we will apply the meta filters that we created and use these meta filters with the search functionality. So the recently uploaded PDF is seen here. Now I'll use the advanced search. Say author that contains BER in his name, in his or her name. Then say date published. Say I choose all the journals after 2001, January 14th. Okay, and that's all. So I'm setting these filters here. Now I see that from the list I only get one PDF with these current filters that are shown here. The author contains BER in his name, and the date published is after the January 14th, 2001. I'll now search, say, a word metal, and I see that there is no record matching this combination. Now I'll type, say, algebra here, and then I see that this one research paper is found which has the current filters working with this search word algebra in it. If I now delete this and delete one of the current filters, then I see that there are more results. I'll also delete now this date published filter. I get then a bigger list of documents, which means this search facility in this smart repository works wonderfully with the research filters. We will now understand the permissions. Users can be associated with collections with different privileges. A maintainer of a collection is an admin of that particular collection. They have unrestricted access to all functions within the collection. A maintainer can associate other users of the system with various different privileges like create, edit, edit own, delete own, etc. This feature helps in collaborative management of the documents within an organization. Here we see a list of users and their permissions. We will now see revisions of a document. A newer version of a document may be created by a user who has edit access. The latest version of the document will become searchable. The old version will be available but won't appear in the searches. So I'll now upload a document in the miscellaneous collection. So I choose the program poster from my files and upload in the same collection, miscellaneous. So now the latest version of the same document will be seen here. Yes, I can see it now. And the newest version is then searched. So we just saw some features of this customizable smart repository like powerful search, optical character recognition, meta searchable collections, collaborative document management, and distinctive user permissions. You can contact us on the email info@carvingit.com and the following phone numbers. Thank you for watching this demo of the Smart Repository. Thank you very much.